You want to see your watch history in TikTok? That's what I'm going to show you in today's free tutorial. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so to view your TikTok watch history, open up the TikTok app, like so, for Android and iOS or iPhone devices. And then click right here on profile at the bottom right hand screen, and click on the top right hand screen right here next to the footstep icon, and then click settings and privacy, or the fourth option. Okay, actually psych, click back, go to home, pause your TikTok video, and then go to the top right hand screen right here, click the magnifying glass, and basically you can type in whatever it is that you want. So let's just say we're going to type in this. And as you can see here, there's some things you probably shouldn't see here, more or less, give or take. That's just TikTok for you. Go back and click the X right here. And basically, as you can see, this is our first search inquiry, and then our second over here. So if you just click the X to the right screen, as you can see, this is your TikTok watch history, everything that you have typed. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.